Okay, we're going to go over how to switch between different vocabulary files within the NuVoice software. This is also known as switching or replacing a user area menu. To start off with, we always need to go to our blue Tools key in the top right hand corner and go to the toolbox. We go to the top menu item, User Area Menu in that top row. I have two ways that I can go about this. The first way is through Switch User Area. So if I go there, that will show me what vocabulary files I have currently available just in the 6 user areas. Right now, I want to change over to LAMP Words for Life One Hit. I can see that I don't currently have them loaded up. So in this case, I'm then going to go down to Replace User Area. I'm going to choose an area that I'd like to fit LAMP Words for Life One Hit into. I'm going to choose Area 3. I'm going to choose English. Now, I'm going to go down to my LAMP Words for Life folder, but as a side note, you can see that there's actually lots of different vocabulary files available in our NuVoice software. But for now, we're just going to go to LAMP Words for Life. And I've found LAMP Words for Life One Hit. It's just prompting me to say that all the stored vocabulary in User Area 3, Unity 60, will be erased. What this means is that if you have made any changes to this file here, Unity 60, so for example, if you've added any words or if you've changed any icons, if you haven't backed it up, it's going to be erased. In this case, I'm going to say yes because it doesn't matter to me. But if you do want to save any changes that you've made in that user area, you'll need to go back and back up that file before you put another vocabulary file into it. I'm going to press yes. It's going to prompt me to type in the word replace and then hit OK. Yes. And press OK again. OK again. Okay, and now I've got LAMP Words for Life One Hit uploaded and ready to go.